Hello everyone. My name is Jimmy, and I'm an English teacher. In today's video, we'll learn how to practice English conversations for beginners, focusing on introductions. Let's get started.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am good, and you?
What's your name?
My name is Ratana.
What's your name?
My name is Marie.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Marie, where are you from?
I am from America. What about you?
I am from England.
Where do you live?
I live in America, and you?
I live in England.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old, and you?
I am 25 years old. What do you do?
I am a student. What about you?
I work at restaurant.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an old sister and a young brother.
Thanks for watching this video. Share this to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.